Hey guys, this is Bots, and Google has always been at the forefront of the tech industry in terms of software. Google is almost everywhere in our life, but one place it has never been found is the gaming industry. But all of that's going to change as Google has officially entered the gaming field with its first ever keynote at the Game Developers Conference, and it announced something that might change the way we play our games and might be the future of gaming itself. So Google announced a game streaming service called Stadia, and let me explain what it is all about and why it might be the future of gaming. So according to Google, soon you might be able to go on YouTube, watch your favorite streamer playing the game, click on a link in the description and instantly start playing the game. No downloads or anything. You can play the game directly inside your Chrome browser at 4K 60 FPS even on your potato PC as long as you have a good internet connection.
Just think of it like YouTube, but instead of videos, you have games. And yes, it means you'll be able to game on your Mac. Finally.
And this service will enable you to play any full-fledged PC game even on a mobile device in full graphics and at 60 FPS. And Stadia also brings with it cross-platform play, which means that you will be able to play with your friend who's playing on a TV while you play on your smartphone. And speaking of performance, the games will run on the servers at Google itself at 4K 60 FPS on HDR and soon at a whopping 8K resolution at 120 FPS, and is going to be powered by GPUs designed by AMD especially for this purpose. And compared to other gaming consoles, Stadia will have a whopping speed of 10.7 teraflops, which beats every single console out there. So how this technology works is that the game will run on Google's Stadia servers and it will be streamed to your device as a video stream. Then your device will receive the inputs from a keyboard and mouse or anything else and send it back to the servers to control the game. So it will be acting as a transmitter and receiver while the actual game is being run at Google servers. And that is some very neat stuff. So Google Stadia completely eliminates the need for gaming hardware except for one thing, the controller. So along with Stadia, Google launched the Stadia controller. It's just a normal controller with a few new tricks up its sleeve. But the innovative thing is that the Stadia controller will connect to Wi-Fi and directly send the inputs to the servers instead of routing it through your device, eliminating a lot of latency. The controller also has a Google Assistant button, but this time the Google Assistant will help you in completing a level by showing you walkthroughs from YouTube if you're a complete noob. It also has another button to share your gameplay to YouTube, and it seems like Stadia is going to be very well integrated with YouTube and will save your gameplay on YouTube without any compromise in quality. So this service is launching this year in the US, UK and Europe. Unfortunately, it's not going to be launched in India, but it will come here for sure around the next year. So I think this is the future of gaming, which will soon replace consoles completely. And the time when you might just have to buy a controller for a superior gaming experience is not far away, bringing gaming into the lives of a larger number of people. But for professional gamers, PCs will still be the best bet. So what do you think about Google Stadia? Let me know down in the comment section. And thank you guys for watching, and until next time, peace.